To access the cabin air filters, first open the hood. The cabin filters are located here and here. Pry off the securing bars and remove the panels. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1055C filters into their housings. The two smaller hook tabs face each other while the larger tabs slide down under the plastic border. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the panels and securing bars. Close the hood.